want you all to understand these 3 P's strategy of success and fulfillment toward your calling career. Either one of these strategy called 3 P's will help you figure out your direction or your journey. If you figure one of these 3 P's out and fulfill and expand on them and explore them and discover them and utilize them to the maximum potential, it will help you connect the rest of the strategy because they are triangle dependency. If you have one, you will need the other eventually. If you don't have the other, eventually the other one's going to lead you to the next one. One is the purpose. The purpose is about your identity, what you are made for, and that's what we spoke on about your calling. If you don't know your calling, not a problem, because eventually you will discover it, because that's one of the purpose of why you were born. You cannot go out of this journey of life without discovering your calling. It's very vital because that's determining your fulfillment and your success of why you made or why you created, the assignment of your life. Coming on this earth is not only just to eat, make babies, and make all this money and wealth. No, it's beyond that. So your calling is your purpose. Discovering that is vital. Now, if you don't know that, no problem. Let's move to the next one, which is your career. Career is equivalent to profit, the second P of the 3 P's. The profit machine is through career. You can create any career you want to make maximum wealth and riches. You can make wealth or profit through real estate, through e-commerce, through industrial business, entrepreneurship. If you want to be a lawyer, if you want to be an accountant, or any specialized work field, any multiple platform you can identify out there through research, which we're going to recommend some in upcoming videos, you can make profit and focus on your career. Eventually, your calling will be discovered. Through questioning and through prayer and fasting, you can figure out your calling. Now you have your profit system called career. In the process, you link that to people. Eventually you will discover your calling, which is our number 3, the people. People is the third P of the 3 P formula for success and fulfillment. So 1 is your purpose, 2 is your profit system, and 3 is the people. You figure out people welfare and what they need and want, and you meet their needs through your profit system business. You will get some financial freedom. However, does your financial freedom equivalent to your fulfillment? Probably not, because you still need 1 more P, and that is your purpose. Now you link up your purpose with people. That means your purpose is fulfilling the people's need and want, and then simultaneously making money through your service and product. So your ability and your skills make way for you. That is our 3 P's. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.